Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Augusto Ilian, and this is installment number 40 of my Aves de Colombia series. Today we will talk about the Carriquí de Montaña, Cyanocorax yncas, or green jay. Order, Passeriformes. Family, Corvidae. Of the species of the family, it is the only one in Colombia with green and yellow colors. It presents a cooperative breeding system made up of a reproductive pair and several helpers. Cyanocorax means blue raven and derives from the Greek roots quanos equals dark blue and corax equals raven. His epithet Incas refers to the Inca culture. It measures 25 to 27 centimeters and weighs between 66 and 92 grams. Both sexes are similar. They have a frontal crest formed by nose and forehead feathers. Also blue spots on the forehead, above the eye and in the malar region. White crown and nape, the latter blue at the base, sides of the head, throat and high chest black. The upper parts are green with the tail a little darker. Its undersides are yellow with brown wing coverts and black tail coverts. Their irises are yellowish-brown and their legs and bill are black. Juveniles are similar to adults, but lack blue spot above eye. 13 subspecies are recognized, of which only 3 are found in Colombia. Cyanocorax and Galeatus are found on the western slope of the eastern Cordillera, Cyanocorax cyanodorsalis in the center and east of the country, and Cyanocorax yncas in the southwestern region. It is found from 900 to 2,600 m high above sea level. On the Pacific slope, in the western and central mountain ranges up to Cauca, but in the latter mountain range only on the western slope. Also in the Parilla mountain range, on the eastern slope of the eastern Cordillera from near Cucuta to Cundinamarca and on the western slope of this Cordillera. Outside the country it is also found from the United States to Peru and northern Bolivia. It lives in mountain forests, but also in more humid lowland forests. It can inhabit areas intervened by man such as secondary growth forests, pine, cypress, coffee and cocoa plantations. It feeds on beetles, crickets, lizard eggs and fruits of a wide variety of plant species, some of them of the genera Solanus, Rubus, Myconia, Palicoria and Clusia. It can also feed on temporarily abundant resources such as caterpillars of the Glenna bisulca moth. Youth have been registered in March and April in Venezuela. Its nest is a bowl-shaped structure which it builds 2 or 3 m high with branches and a sloppy appearance. Available strata, including soil, broken branches, bromeliad lichens, etc. Groups of birds of this species avoid clearings and open spaces, but they cross through them one by one, starting their flight from the highest tree. Observations have shown that these birds forage by distributing themselves along a broad front rather than going one after another. When they forage on the ground they remove the dry leaves in search of prey, and in the trees they usually direct their flights from low branches towards the upper part of the vegetation. They are generally seen jumping from branch to branch, but can also be seen catching insects on the fly. Formerly located in the monotypic genus Xanthura. Their races are separated into 2 groups, the one from Central America, or the Luxuosus group, and the other from the Andes or nominal group. The races of these groups have sometimes been treated as belonging to 2 different species. The subspecies Andicolus was fused with the race Cyanodorsalis. His state of concern is less. We have reached the end of delivery number 40. In our next installment, number 41, we will talk about the bull-headed bull, Capito maculicoronatus, spot-crowned barbet. Do not forget to support my work by watching all my videos until the end if you like by liking them, sharing them with your contacts and subscribing to my channel. In the same way, I appreciate your comments, in order to generate content that you like. Many thanks.
Thank you.